Tired of complicated desserts that take hours and leave your kitchen looking like a war zone? What if I told you the most delicious, crowd-pleasing cakes can be made with just a few cans, a box, and about 5 minutes of effort? You know those days when you crave something sweet, but the thought of all that mixing frosting in an endless pile of dishes just deflates your dessert dreams? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. Today we're diving into the magical world of dump cakes. Seriously, the easiest, most satisfying dessert you'll ever bake. We're not just talking any dump cakes, though. I'm going to share the top 4 absolute must-try flavors that will have everyone begging for the recipe, even though it's almost embarrassingly simple. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be wondering why you ever baked any other way. Now you might be thinking, dump cake? That sounds, well, a bit unappetizing. But let me tell you, the name refers to the method, not the flavor. It literally means you dump the ingredients into a pan, throw it in the oven, and magic happens. No fancy mixers, no measuring a gazillion tiny spoons of this or that, and definitely no intimidating techniques. It's the perfect dessert for anyone who thinks they can't bake, or for seasoned cooks who just want a break. The biggest challenge you'll face is deciding which delicious flavor to make first, and trust me, these aren't just easy, they're unbelievably good. I've seen people's eyes light up and heard, "Wait, that's a dump cake?" more times than I can count. Let's jump into these game-changing recipes, starting with a classic that always hits the spot. First up, we have the Cherry Pineapple Dream Dump Cake. Imagine a tropical vacation for your taste buds. This one starts with a generous layer of crushed pineapple, undrained, because we want all that juicy goodness. Right on top of that, you spread a can of cherry pie filling. Don't mix it, just let those vibrant red cherries sit proudly. Then, the magic ingredient, a box of yellow cake mix. You just sprinkle it evenly over the fruit. No need to prepare the cake mix, just pour it from the box. Finally, and this is key, you slice up a stick of cold butter and place the pats evenly over the dry cake mix. As it bakes, the butter melts through the cake mix, creating this incredible buttery, crumbly topping that's almost like a shortbread. The fruit underneath becomes warm and jammy, bursting with sweet and tangy flavors. It's like a cobbler met a cake and decided to have the easiest baby ever. Serve it warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and prepare for silence at the table, followed by requests for seconds. Next, for all you chocolate lovers out there, get ready for the Chocolate Raspberry Delight Dump Cake. This one is pure decadence with minimal effort. Moving on to number 3, we have the ultimate comfort food dessert, the Apple Crumble Dump Cake. This one is like a warm hug on a plate. Grab 2 cans of apple pie filling and spread them in your pan. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle a little cinnamon and nutmeg over the apples, but it's totally optional because the pie filling already has great flavor. Next, grab a box of spice cake mix. That's right, the spice cake mix adds another layer of warmth and coziness. Sprinkle that evenly over the apples. For the topping, we're going to swap out some of the butter for a little texture. Cube about half a stick of butter and sprinkle it over the cake mix. Then sprinkle about a 1/4 cup of chopped pecans or walnuts for an extra crunch. This bakes into a delightfully spiced, tender cake with soft, sweet apples underneath and a slightly crunchy, buttery topping. It's perfect for autumn gatherings, or honestly, any time you need a comforting dessert. And for our final, show-stopping flavor, prepare for the Pumpkin Pecan Streusel Dump Cake. This one screams fall, but it's so good, you'll want it all year round. Start with a large can of pumpkin puree. Make sure it's puree, not pie filling. Spread that creamy pumpkin goodness in the bottom of your dish. Then, pour a can of evaporated milk over the pumpkin and stir it gently to combine. Add about a cup of brown sugar, a couple of teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and a pinch of salt to the pumpkin mixture, stirring it all together. This creates a rich, spiced pumpkin custard layer. Now, for the magic. Sprinkle a box of yellow cake mix evenly over the pumpkin mixture. Finally, top it generously with chopped pecans, and then, you guessed it, evenly distribute slices of cold butter. As it bakes, The cake mix forms a perfect streusel-like topping. The pecans toast beautifully, and the pumpkin transforms into a creamy, dreamy layer that's somewhere between a cake and a pie. It's absolutely divine. So, there you have it. 4 incredibly simple, unbelievably delicious dump cake recipes that will revolutionize your dessert game. No more stress, no more endless dishes, just pure, unadulterated dessert joy. You don't need to be a pastry chef to whip up something amazing. You just need a pan, a few cans, and a little oven magic. Now go on, give one of these a try tonight, and let me know which one becomes your new favorite. Ready for more dessert magic? Click here to check out my top 5 no-bake treats.